Friends, we are crossing through Zojila Pass, one of the most beautiful, at the same time most dangerous mountain passes at an altitude of 11,649 feet. So we are 9 people traveling in a tempo traveler.
Having started from Srinagar in a tempo traveler in the early morning, we drove down to towards Kargil and via Gumri and Dras. Dras being one of the most coldest places, second most coldest inhabited places in the world. And in 1999, it is said that Dras experienced minus 60 degrees Celsius. The roads to Kargil is definitely one of the most adventurous and dangerous roads that one can travel through. Due to landslides and continuous snowfalls, the roads have been destroyed, because of which the driving through these terrains is an extremely skilled activity. Nevertheless, thanks to our driver Riaz, we have successfully reached Kargil and also are on our way back to Srinagar.
And so 6 months is only open.
Oh, this road is open only for 6. Riaz says?
Riaz says that this road is open only for 6 months in 1 year. Which is mainly between March and October.
No, May.
May and October.
May.
रियाज आप कितना टाइम गया होगा ये रोड से?
मैं गया हूँ कम से कम 1 साल में के पहले से।
हाँ, पहले से अभी तक कितना टाइम गया?
लगभग हो गया 15 साल।
अच्छा, 15 साल से ड्राइव कर रहे हैं ये रोड से। कभी कुछ एक्सीडेंट हुआ?
ना।
कभी कुछ नहीं। कभी कुछ एक्सीडेंट देखा?
हाँ, एक्सीडेंट तो
बहुत देखा। इधर एक्सीडेंट कैसे होता है? इधर एक्सीडेंट
लैंडस्लाइड होता है तो नीचे पत्थर आता है तो गाड़ी नीचे
चले जाते हैं। ओके।
एक्सीडेंट तो बहुत हो जाता है।
As you can see, the terrain we are passing through, although this stretch is kind of better, but there was apparently an older bypass, another road, which was very bad because people, say 10 people died every week is what Riaz says, because of which this is the new bypass that's being constructed. As you can see around, let me show you on the left side, snow-capped mountains. It is an unbelievable view and very, very overwhelming.
Blue sky, white mountains. The landscape is so beautiful. You have to come and enjoy the thing.
Our cameraman Nuju and assistant Vishnu is.
See one accident
which happened.
See, it happens.
Recently.
See.
This is something.
See, babre. It's
Terrible.
wow. Oh my God. It seems something fell down. Oh.
Why?
Babre. Ah, yes. Oh.
See, the chance of the falling stones on this road is very, very, very high. Moreover, people. I am sure people don't travel like this in a small car because that's a very dangerous thing. These cars are possibly have a tendency to fall also. So you should always use a four-wheeler here. Four-wheeler, bigger tires and something like Fortuner kind of things, or even Scorpio. Xylo, etc. No other, this create bad place.
It is highly suggested that you come and witness this place by yourself, because it's nothing but a magical place. And as you can see, that it is definitely once in a lifetime opportunity that one should experience.
Can anybody else comment anything on Zojila Pass?
Also, as we know, as we read at the Zojila War Memorial, Zojila by the word means path of blizzards, which means that that place is affected by not just snowfall or hurricane, but both together, which makes it more, which makes the climatic conditions more unbearable and extreme. Hence, it is advisable for you to come here with necessary protection, clothing, and a good car.
अमरनाथ का भी बोलो।
अमरनाथ, yes. रियाज आप बोलो, अमरनाथ इधर से कहाँ से जाता है?
यहाँ से अमरनाथ नज़दीक पड़ता है, जोजिला पाल से, जोजिला से दिखता है अमरनाथ यात्रा जहाँ से शुरू होती है।
हाँ,
तो दिखता है, पूरा दिखता है यहाँ से।
अच्छा
जोजिला से।
ओके। इधर से कैसे जाता है? पैदल जाता है?
घोड़े पे भी जाता है, हेलीकॉप्टर से भी जाता है और पैदल भी जाता है।
ओके।
यहाँ से पैदल जाता है, पहलगाम से उतरता है।
ओके।
वही पहलगाम से यहाँ से आता है, बालतल से पहलगाम जाता है। ये वो पहले वाला रास्ता है जो पहले रास्ता।
सर
कौन सा महीना में जाते हैं?
अभी जून जुलाई में 1 जुलाई से चालू होगा।
जी, इट्स डेंजरस।
As you can see, on the road on the left is one of the most dangerous roads in the world, and it is said that a lot of people died because of the adverse conditions of the road. Here we are entering the most toughest terrain of the entire journey.
हमारा श्रीनगर आ गया। आ गया श्रीनगर। वहाँ तो हरे भरे पहाड़ है, तो यहाँ तो कोई पेड़ ही नहीं है।
वो तो पहलगाम में भी हरे भरे।
सी
रोड को उठा पूरा।
See?
ഞാൻ ഇന്നലെ അവിടെ വേണമെങ്കിൽ
cameraman Nojul.
Very, very beautiful.
Wow, see? Oh, wow, wow.
Stretching करने अकेला
This is the result of the पर
हाँ इधर दिल्ली का साधन ये साधन गवर्नमेंट
रेलवे full life.
Oh, see the place. See the way between two mountains. Through this way, there's a way to Amarnath. That's a base camp. You can see the base camp. Friends, I suggest you must